Do you like them? Buddy! Are these Dad's fancy shoes? I hope they fit you. I think I got the right size, but... Okay. Okay, buddy, okay.
Okay, now
Here,
open this present.
That one. Here, start right there. Cal, look, it's right here. See? There's a hole. Hurry.
Ooh, a train, buddy.
Buddy. You want to get that one out? Okay. We'll try and get that one out for you. I think they wrapped these in like a force field or something. No, I can't get this one. Can you get it?